Hello friends, my name is Anjali Patel. In this video, I will discuss Leetcode question number 76. The question is minimum window substring. So let's see what the question says. That there are two strings S and T. S is of length M and T is of length N. And we have to return the minimum window substring from the S such that that substring include every character of the T along with its duplication. Let's say any character is present 3 times in the T, so that character should be present 3 times in that substring too. And if we are not able to find such substring, then we have to return the empty string. And if we are able to find many substring, then we have to return the minimum one. Okay, so let's see one example. So here the S is this one: A D O B E C O D B A N C T U F G U I, and T is A B C A. Okay, so if we see that inside the T, the A is repeated 2 times, B is 1 time, C is 1 time. Okay, so if I go for searching, then okay, here we include A, B, and C is also found, and then B, A. Okay, so up to here we have find out this character, that A is 2 times, B is present 2 times. That's there is no concern because at least I want 1 time I have got, and C is also present 1 time. But what is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The substring length is 10. Okay, and if we see some other, so if I focus on this one, B, A, and C. Okay, so here we have all these character. A have 2 times, B is also present 1 time, and C is present 1 time. Okay, and its length is 5. So this substring will be our answer. Okay, now let's see the approach. How we will approach it. So let me clear this, all these things. Okay, and let's start. So there are these 2 pointers. Let's say this is I pointer and this is J pointer. Okay, so start the J pointer from the 0. And let me first do the indexing. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And this is the T. Okay. So inside the T, let's maintain the a map according regarding the T for its character and their frequency. So if I see A is 2 times, B is 1 time, and C is 1 time. And let's maintain a count. Count means how many character we have to search. So we have to search these 3 characters. Okay. Size of our map is 3. That's fine. Okay. Now let's traverse with the pointer J. Okay. So J is at 0th index, and here A has been found. Okay. A has been found 1 time, and we have required A 2 times. So 1 time I have found, and so I will decrease its value because now I have to search 1 time again. Again, 1 time I have already found, and I will update this and go forward. Then D is not present here. Then O is also not present here. Then B I have found, and I was also searching for this. So we will decrease its frequency, and B is equal to 0. B's frequency becomes 0. And now again increase the jth pointer. And now if frequency of any character becomes 0, means now we are not searching for that character. So decrease here count also. So I have decreased the counter to 2. Okay. Now go again. So at C, we have find out. I was searching for C one time only. I have found it. Reduce its frequency to 0 and increase the jth pointer. And as the frequency of C have become 0, so also decrease the count to 1. Okay. Now go move forward again. D and then B again. So I don't require B. It is already 0, but we have find out B one time more, although I was not required. So decrease again and it will become -1. Okay. And now again, if I increase the pointer, this jth pointer A. So now J has been find out again. So here we will do it 0 and move the pointer again. And here as the A have also become 0. So we will decrease the count. Now count have become 0. Now we have to search nothing. Means we have found a substring which contain all these characters of the T. So this substring is from 0 up to here. 0 up to 9 I have found out. But our jth pointer is here. Okay. And let's see how many character are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 characters are here. So L will be at 0. Our right is at 10. And size is 10. Okay. So we have updated this. If further I don't get any substring containing all these characters, then it is our potential answer. Okay. But now move again. Okay. Now I have find out all character. Now it's time to move on the ith index. So ith index was at 0. And now I want to move it. So when I want to move it, means I already have one and I have lost it. Means now I have to search it again. So we will increase the frequency. So increase the frequency 1. Then there is no work on D. Then again move, again move. Okay. And so here at the B. So, and one more thing. That's something here it was on 0 and it has become 1. So means we have to search it again. So search it again means the count will be 1 again. So if any, when I am moving with the ith pointer and the frequency of any character become greater than the 0, then we have to increase the count, that we have to search it again. So after this point only, when we have reached here, we have again work on the J. So J was at 10th pointer. So again we will find out, okay, that A have been find out. So again it will be 0. And here we will increase the jth pointer. Okay. Now our window will be from where to where? Our window will be from index 1 and up to the index 10. Okay. So, and again it will be 0. So this is also containing all the answer from 1 to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have again found a string, but the size is similar. So we can take any substring, previous one or this one. So we will keep taking, we will not update, we will remaining it the previous one. Okay. Now as count is 0, So we will move again with the ith pointer. We will go up to O. Okay. And then we will check that from index 2 and index 10 is everything present. So B is present, C is present, and A is also present 2 times. And its size will be what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 second from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, its size is 9. So now we will update it. That we have got some updated answer. So we will update the L with 2. Here it will be 2. And our R will be at the next where the J is present 11. And our size is, in this case, our size is 9. Right? So size is 9. Okay. That's fine. Now if we move again at B. Okay, so B was already -1. Okay, and now it will be increased. It will be increased to 0. And we will increase our this ith pointer again. Okay, so there will be no effect on here as B is not become greater than 0. It has become 0 only. So our ith pointer is at 4 and our jth pointer is at 11. So if I see from 4, C is present, B is present, and A is present 2 times. What is the size? Size is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now at 7 size we are getting all the characters of T. So we will update this answer again. So let me update all these. So length L will be 4, R will be 11, and size is 7. Okay. Now if I move again, so as we have find out answer and count is 0, we will keep moving with the I. Okay, we will move further. So C. Now C will become 1 and the ith pointer will be increased. Now there will be problem that we have to find out C again. So we will increase the count with 1. That we have to find out C. Now as we have to find out C, so we will work on the jth pointer. So we will go here. So C I have found out the C. Okay, and at here C has been found out, and now what we will do, decrease it again 0 and move the jth pointer. As now it again become 0, so count will be 0 again. So let me clear all this. So the count will be 0 again. Okay. So if we see from here, this one, D, B, A, M, C up to here. And the jth pointer is at T. Okay. We will not include that. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are getting our answer with the size 6 only. So let's update it. So go from the ith pointer is, let me count it again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, up to 7. So it's up to 7 and the previous one was also 7. So no need to update it now, but we have the answer in this range. So we will work on the now iteration of I. So I will move here Now there is no effect, but here now the size has become 6. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we can update it at L at 7, R at that is at 13, and our size will be 6. Okay, now if we again increase the I, so we are at B. Okay, and here if we see from here up to here, so that B, A, and C, all characters are present and size is also 5. Size is 5. So if I do what thing? Update it. That starting with index 8, go up to index 13, and our size is 5. Okay, but when we move forward from the this means B has been removed from our range. So B's index we will increase by 1, and count will also be increased by 1. That we have to search out the B again. Okay, so for searching up the B again, we will keep moving the J. So it will go here, go here, go here, and go up to here, this and this. But the B has not been found, and we have to reach up to the end of the string S. So now what will be our final answer? Our final answer will be from 8 to 13. So we will make the substring from 8 to 13. That is of size of 5. So from start with 8, B, A, and C. And we don't include the last one. Go up to the R minus 1. Okay, with size 5. Okay, so this will be our answer in this case. I hope all of you have understood a sort of traversal that how we will do these things. Now I will discuss the pseudocode, then it will be much clearer. Okay, so here is the pseudocode. So what we are doing, first of all we have to do that take the size of S, this size of S, size of N, and if the size of N is greater than size of M, means if T is greater than S, then there is no chance that every character of the T will present in the S with all frequencies. So we have to simply return empty string. Otherwise, we will maintain an unordered map and keep the record of the character of T. And then inside the count, we will take map.size. Okay, and then we will initialize all these pointers with which I was working. Pointer I, pointer J, and these are L and R pointer for corresponding to the making our answer, storing our potential answer, and also initialize the answer size, that what will be the answer size. So initialize with the maximum size. Then we will apply the main logic up to which, according to which we I was doing the traversal, and after that we will check that how to find out the answer. So if L and R both remain -1, means we didn't find that substring. So simply return the empty string. Otherwise, we have to we have find out the string. So return that substring from L up to the answer size. So let's code up to here. Then we will focus on this logic and we will code it again. Okay. So here let's code int m equal to s dot size and int n equal to t dot size, and check if n is greater than m, then return the empty string. Return the empty string. Okay, otherwise let's initialize some pointers. Int I equal to 0, int j equal to 0, int left equal to -1, and int r equal to -1, and int max sum equal to max sum will be maximum value. So we will go up to the 10 to the power 9 plus 7, or 2, 4, 4, 5, 7. Okay, and then let's maintain the hash map. So unordered map char comma int empty, and fill with it with the character that are present inside the T. So for out of ch in T, what I will do, empty character plus plus, and now we will maintain a count, and count equal to map.mp.size. Okay, and now this is the area for applying the main logic, and then we will form the answer. So if L equal to -1 as well, R equal to -1 means we didn't found such substring. So we will return empty string. Otherwise, we will return s dot substring, which will start from L and go up to the I should write here not maximum, it should be max size, and go up to the max size, and in fact it should not be max size, as we are searching for the min size. So let's give the more logical variable name, that is min size. Okay, now let's focus on the main logic to be implemented. Okay, so while j is less than m, as here I was going the traversing with j up to here, that when up to it is not reaching here. Okay, so while j is less than m, if we see that sj is present inside the map that we have to be required, that is present inside the map, then we will do what? We will decrease the frequency, and if the frequency becomes 0, then do the count minus minus, as now we don't require to search that character, and keep doing the j plus plus, keep increasing that pointer. Okay, so let's code this thing. So here we will apply the main logic. While j is less than m, if mp.count s of j, then mps of j minus minus, if it becomes 0, if mps of j now become 0, then decrease the count minus minus, and keep doing the j plus plus. Now if count equal to 0, okay, so let's see that thing. if the count has become to 0 and still and the I is less than j. That means we have find out some potential answer. Then what we will do? We will update the answer size. If the answer size was greater than this current answer size, which is going to make by j and I, then update that answer size and update the value of L and R also. Okay, so let's do this thing. Are updating the answer. So while count equal to 0 and I is less than j, if min size is greater than the size j minus I, then please update it. Min size equal to j minus I and L equal to I and R equal to j. Okay. Okay, that's it is. And now what I have to focus? I have to focus that okay, we have find out our potential answer. Now let's search for some answer which may be have the more minimum length of the substring. So we will move over ith pointer. So let's see how we will move the ith pointer. That if MP, if our ith pointer is at one place, then what we will do? We will check that if it is present inside the map with some count. If it is present, please increase its count. And after increasing it, if its uh, count has become more than 0, means we have to search it again. So do the count plus plus and keep increasing I for this value. Okay, so let's see. If MP dot count of Sj, then what we will do, we will increase its frequency. So, and not j, I am working on I. So I will increase its frequency Si plus plus. And if what happened, if that Si after increasing this, the Si frequency has been become more than 0, means we have to search it again. Okay, so if S of I become greater than 0, means increase the count and we have to search it again. And for the while loop, keep increasing the I. So this is the whole logic. Okay, so let me run it. So it is giving the wrong answer. Why? Let's see. So here it is right, map of Sj. Okay. And here at the line number this 36, here I have written Si plus plus, although I am working on the frequency. So I have to write MP Si plus plus and also check regarding the map MP Si plus plus. Okay. Now if I run it again, okay, it has been accepted. Now run for the use example test case. And now if I submit it, so it has been submitted finally. Okay, and now let's go and analyze its time complexity. So what will be the time complexity for it? So as here we are going from here, J, I am traversing with the J and also with the I. So J traverse the size M one time and I is also traversing it one time. Okay. So it will be 2M. But here when I am making the unordered map, then I am also traversing one time on the N, that T size N. So our time complexity will go up to 2M plus N, and big O time complexity I can write as M plus N. And what will be the space complexity? So space complexity will be only O of N, as in the we are using the space of this map and in which I am only storing the N characters and then working along with them. So I hope all of you have understood the approach as well as the code. If yes, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.